Hello, kid. Well, look over here. What are all of these? Well, all of these are known as plants. So, when you go in the park or in your garden as well, I'm sure you have seen lot of plants. And these plants are very helpful to us. Do you want to know how? Let me tell you. I'm sure you'd love to have this delicious fruits, right? But where do these fruits come from? These fruits come from plants. Similarly, I'm sure you love to have curries with lots of vegetables. Even these delicious vegetables come from plants. Well, fruits and vegetables are very useful in our day-to-day lives because we eat them and feel nutritious. Now, not only fruits and vegetables, plants also give us grains like rice, wheat. Next, they give us the pulses like the lentils, like chickpeas. Not only the grains and pulses, but also when you have the tangy chutneys, they also come from plants, their leaves. So, other than fruits and vegetables, we get grains, pulses and chutneys. Now, what about the morning refreshing tea or the coffee which you love to sip? Have you thought where do these come from? Well, tea also comes from plants. See, these are the tea leaves, and from these tea leaves we get our refreshing cup of tea. Similarly, if you look over here, this is a coffee plant, and from this we get the coffee beans with which we have our refreshing coffee. So, beverages like tea and coffee also come from plants. What are these? Don't they look pretty? I'm sure you love to have these things at your home as well. So, what are they known as? They are known as flowers. They are colorful, beautiful, they are available in different forms as well. So, what are these flowers used for? Well, flowers are used for worshipping God and goddesses. I'm sure you must have seen during religious festivals we are using flowers for worshipping. Not only this, flowers are also used for decoration. Have you seen a wedding ceremony? I'm sure you have noticed the beautiful garlands of flowers. So, flowers are used for worshipping and decoration. Now, what are the other useful things that we get from plants? See, here you can see the plant gives us wood and paper. So, over here you see these logs. These wooden logs come from plants. And over here we can see the different furniture made from these wood. See, these are the different furniture. Even we use paper in our day-to-day lives, starting from newspaper, even the books and the notebooks that you use to study. Well, these are all made from paper, and all of these paper comes from plants. Now, leaving the usefulness of plants to our eating and using things, we can also see plants as medicines, because here are some of our plant friends which are medicinal plants like neem, tulsi and turmeric. So, all of these plants like the neem, tulsi and turmeric are known as medicinal plants. Do you know why? Because when you're sick, like when you are suffering from cough, cold, sore throat, even fever, these plants help you to get cured. Then you will get cured. So, these plants have medicinal properties and hence these plants are known as medicinal plants. Now, we have seen why plants are so very useful and they are very good to us. So, don't you think you should care for them? You should love them? Of course you should. So, you need to take care of our plant friends. But how to take care? Is it by sharing cookies or chocolate cakes like you do with your friends? Not really. Let me tell you how can you take care. Well, if you see a plant friend who is droopy, that means he is sad. So how to make a sad plant happy? Well, by giving it water. Water is very important for us living beings, right? We also need to have water in day-to-day lives. Similarly, plants also require water. So once you water the plant becomes happy. Now, when you're watering the plants, you need to see how much water you're giving to it. For example, when you're thirsty and you tell your mother to give you water. So what does she do? Does she make you drink a whole jug of water so that you never feel thirsty? Not really, right? She gives you a glass of water and keep on giving you water from time to time. Similarly, when you give water to plants, the water should be given in a regulated form from time to time so that the plants don't die. So, in this way, you can take care of your plant friend. Now, I have a question for you. What should you do if a plant is droopy? That is, the plant is sad. Is it option 1? Put it in sunlight, or option 2, put water on it? Can't remember? Let me tell you. Just now we have seen that when a plant is sad, you should put water on it to make it happy. So, the correct option will be put water on it. And first one will be a wrong option. So, whenever a plant is sad, you should put water on it to make it happy plant. Just like we take care of small babies, in the same way, we need to take care of our plants. So, you should be very careful while handling them. Now, what happens when you are in a garden playing with your friends and one of your friend goes and tries to pluck a flower from a plant? What should you do? Would you also accompany her to get the flower, or you should tell the person to stop plucking? The correct thing is you should tell the person to stop plucking, because if you pluck flowers from a plant, the plant gets hurt. See over here. What happens when someone pulls your hair? Don't you feel hurt? You feel hurt, right? Similarly, when someone plucks the leaves or flowers from a plant, the plant feels hurt. So you should never ever pluck any leaf or flower from the plants, and you should stop others to do the same. Now, what is the other thing which is required for your plant friend? Well, you need to keep your plant friends in sunlight. They should get light from the sun. But that does not mean that you will put them in the sunlight all the time. They should get some shade as well. So, you should keep the plants in sunlight as well as in shade. Next, to make them feel healthy and to keep them happy, you should dig the soil from time to time, because this enables the plant to be healthy and fit. So, these are all the techniques by which you can take care of your plant friend, by giving them water, by not plucking flowers or leaves from the plant, by keeping them in sunlight as well as in shade, and by digging the soil from time to time. So in this way, you can take care of your plant friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.